As you can see, like the celery does have a lot of debris. Normally when I would wash produce, I would just kind of like rinse it and try and rub stuff off of it. But I'm realizing actually it'd be better probably to have a better system and something like the ultrasonic cleaner I think is going to be really great. So we're just going to test a whole bunch of different foods that I use on a regular basis. I use the celery for juicing, so cleaning this is actually really important. Now, the way this ultrasonic cleaner works is you put like a container of water, or you fill up a sink like this with water, and it has 4 different methods. So check out my last video where I did the unboxing and I showed the manual and more about the different stages. But since we're doing just fruits and vegetables, we're going to put this into the water after we turn it on. You want to make sure that it's completely submerged in the water because it's going to start spinning and we need it to spin around. So each setting is like a different number of minutes. This one is 3 minutes. You put this in here with the water and the food that you want to clean. It does the 3-minute cycle. Then you let everything sit for 5 to 10 minutes afterwards, and that's actually where it's doing its purification. So in the first part of the cycle where it does spinning and then it stops and then it spins again and it forms little bubbles like that. And I think that that's help agitate everything off of the food. And then after this cycle is done, then it's going to do the purification part like I just mentioned. So you want to make sure and leave everything for 5 to 10 minutes after it's done through its cycle. Okay, so it beeped, so that means it's done with that cycle. Now I'm going to set a 5-minute timer. Okay, and it's been 5 minutes, so let's check the celery and see what was left over in the water. It definitely looks brighter and a little cleaner. Okay, everything has finished in here. It's been 5 minutes or even a little longer, and the celery looks nice and clean, and I've barely done anything to it. I just put it in the water and swished it around a little, but this is nice. It looks kind of crisper. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't know if you can tell in the camera. Okay, let's go ahead and empty this out of the sink and see what kind of residue was left over. This definitely makes like cleaning produce way easier, and I feel a little less stressed because when I was cleaning the produce by hand before, I just felt kind of like maybe I wasn't cleaning it enough. And since I'm juicing, you know, you want it to be clean because it's not getting cooked. Okay, so there's definitely like a lot of little things floating in the water, and I wish you could see it a little better with the camera, but that was great.